Just ate better than Starbucks egg bites at home. Let me show you how to make these Starbucks egg bites at home. Sorry, Starbucks, but I think I just leveled up. I recreated the famous egg bites at home, but with a serious upgrade. We're talking about the savory Johnsonville brown sugar and honey breakfast sausage. Yep, crispy bell peppers and sweet onions all folded into a fluffy egg and cheese blend packed with protein, and I didn't have to wait in line and break the bank for these egg bites. The meal prep literally paid off. The secret to perfect DIY egg bites, it's all in the fillings, okay? I whipped up a batch of these copycat Starbucks egg bites using 5 eggs and just like cheese for that ultra creamy texture, but the real star is the Johnsonville breakfast sausage. Paired with bell peppers and onions, every bite is the perfect mix of savory cheese and fluffiness. Breakfast is officially served without breaking the bank, y'all. Let's be real for a minute, okay? That Starbucks drive-through line is the enemy of a smooth morning, okay? I used to be addicted to their sous vide egg bites. They are velvety, protein packed, and the perfect size for eating them on the commute, right? But shelling out over $5 for two tiny bites every day, well, my wallet started waving a white flag. Maybe yours too. I knew I had to crack the code on making them at home. The goal isn't just to save money. I wanted something that tastes better and was incredibly easy to meal prep for a busy week. After some experimenting, I didn't just match the coffee shop's version. I think I beat them. The secret ingredient changed everything. Literally, sweet meets savory. Most copycat recipes you find online use plain bacon or generic diced ham. The absolute game changer in my kitchen was switching to Johnsonville brown sugar and honey breakfast sausage. Why this specific sausage? Because egg bites needed contrast, okay? That subtle hint of brown sugar sweetness mixed with the savory seasoned pork creates an incredible flavor profile that pairs perfectly with that cheese and the fluffy eggs. It elevates the whole dish from the basic breakfast egg bites to a gourmet treat. Are you extra or are you basic? Every bite has that perfect sweet and salty balance that keeps you coming back for more. The directions should be always be short and to the point. So we're going to preheat your oven from 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Generously grease your muffin tin or silicone molds. Saute your sausage in a pan with bell peppers and onions until the veggies are soft and sausage is fully cooked. Drain the grease, okay? Whisk and blend your eggs together. Remember, you're using the blender for your eggs and your cheese together. Then season with salt and pepper. And then assemble sausage and veggie mixture evenly into the muffin cups. Pour the egg mixture over the top. Fill about 3/4. Don't put it all the way to the top, okay? Anywho, we're going to be baking it for 20 to 25 minutes until the center are set and slightly puffed. Now remember, we are putting your muffin tin inside a larger baking sheet that has an inch of water in it. This steams the egg gently instead of blasting them with dry oven heat, keeping them moist and fluffy instead of rubbery. Then when they come out of the oven, we're going to let them cool for like 5 minutes before popping them out, or else you're gonna pop out some slop. Okay, so Yeah, are you ready to cozy up with this flavorful, better than Starbucks egg bites recipe? It's a perfect way to chase the bites without spending the extra cash. So grab your ingredients, hit the kitchen, and start cooking. Don't forget to experiment with your own twists on this recipe and share your creations with us in the comments below. I think you know what to do.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video.